What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we've got the Focus in the background just there. What we're going to be doing today is installing something that I've been waiting to install for absolutely ages, but the part has only just arrived today and it's in that box there. It's from Auto Specialist and it's an AirTag part, so it should be pretty paying, help the car breathe a bit better. If you don't know already, or you haven't seen the box, guess what it is in the comments below, and take into consideration that I just fitted the RamAir Induction Kit a few weeks ago. It's something to do with that, but if you do go ahead and enjoy this video, make sure to drop it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep subscribed for the upcoming videos. We've got a few mods planned, another mod inside this box, so you'll see that at some point in this video, so you'll know what's coming up next if you stay and watch the video till the end. But I am attending Ford on the Fairway on the 5th of May. It's this Sunday at Clacton-on-Sea. If you haven't hit it up already, it's like £5 a ticket and it's a great day out. Weather's looking pretty good as well. So we're going to be taking the Focus and my mate's going to be taking the Fiesta ST. So it's going to be a pretty good day. I'll make sure to record it and do other stuff like that. But today's video we're going to be installing this. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'll unbox it all now so you can see what it is, and then we'll get it installed on the car. Right, let's go ahead and get this stuff unboxed. If I can even get into the bloody thing. It's so bloody cold, it's unbelievable. So yes, it is in fact the RS air scoop. You're going to be installing it on the Focus because essentially what happens is, let me just grab the camera and let me just pop the bonnet. I'll pop that back. This is like impossible one-handed. So essentially where the old airbox goes, the air comes out on the left-hand side when the air filter is actually on the right. So it's pretty useless. There's like no air flow through here, or barely any. What the RS one does is puts the air scoop on that side to this side. So I get all the cold air coming in here, straight to the filter, and then down to the wherever else it goes, turbo I guess. But that's what we're going to be doing now. Don't really have much to say, so I don't know why I'm pointing the camera at me, but there we go, let's get on with it. Right, so I'm going to start by getting this top one off here, so I can free off the old air scoop. Now, like I said, they are a fucking pain in the arse, because these plastic bits just make the screw actually spin. So you've got to have two screwdrivers, wedge one under another like I'm doing now, and then undo the screw with the top one like I've just done. But it's not as easy as that, unfortunately, on all of them. So that is one. There's two there as well, so I'll do that in a second, but let's just see if I can get these ones going. You can't actually see me doing this one, so I'm just going to pause and catch you up with you in a second. Right, as you can see, I've got all four bolts out, and I've got the two out there, although I only had one. So that should just sort of wiggle its way out now. So there's that. So that's the old one. And then you've got two of the same little shits holding this in. So you've got one there and one on the other side, just down here somewhere. You'll be able to find it, it's pretty self-explanatory. But I'm just going to get that air scoop off, because there's absolutely no point in having it there whatsoever with the new RS one. So then let's get that out of the way, and I'll come back to you in a second, and we'll be putting the new RS one on in there, looking nice and fresh. I've got the air scoop off now, and the old sort of scoop panel slammed something or other. Good tip is to put all your clips in there, that way you don't lose them. There's no holes in this really at all, so whenever you're working on your engine, always put your bits up there. It's a nice little tip. But essentially what I think this should do is just go somewhere there, and then what I've got is a nice little airflow coming through this gap here. As you can see, that's the grill wheel, the air comes in, comes up through here, and absolutely rams it to that RamAir filter, and absolutely sucks all the air in. So essentially what I'm going to do now is just try and squeeze that into there, put the bolts on, then we should be good to go. So if I can prop my camera there somewhere, something like this, that'll do for the minute. I don't know if it's going to fall, but YOLO. You only live once, ladies and gentlemen. And this looks rather complicated. Oh yes. Ah. Well, I don't know how much of a problem this is, but as you can see, that one's almost lined up. That one's nowhere near lined up. That one's nowhere near lined up, and neither is that one. So even if I push that in and push that one in, you can probably get something in there and probably get something in there. But these are miles out, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of jiggling here. See if I can get something going. So just bear with me a second. Right lads, I've managed to get it in. Now this plastic's really soft, so what I actually did is just extended these holes on the air scoop here, so that I could fit all 4 in. Otherwise I was just going to leave 3 in, which I'm sure would be fine, because it's obviously not going to blow away once you're in under the bonnet, and if it does it's only just going to shift about a tiny bit. But there we have it, that is pretty much it. It's not a bad fit, it's not obviously 100% because it is for the Focus rather than the Focus RS rather than the Focus ST, which is the one I've got, but that will definitely make an improvement to the airflow. Pretty large scoop there coming right through to the induction kit. I know that you can actually get a deflector that goes something like that to deflect all the air in there, but I'm not sure exactly how that would fit, and if it involves drilling I'm not going to get involved because I certainly won't be drilling along here. But that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. Sorry, I've got my hood up, it's bloody freezing. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. We've got it installed now. The next video is going to be me installing this beast here. That's all I'm going to give you. If you can guess what it is from there, make sure to drop it down in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Sorry that I made this a pretty long video. I think it's turned out quite long considering it should be an easy job. That's the old one there, that's the Irish one on there, and that is the next mod for the next video. So make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.